Hello everyone, my name is Anup Sharma. Currently, I'm pursuing second year BTech from Divruga University Institute of Engineering and Technology, and my department is Electronics and Communication Engineering. So, during this IEEE summer research internship, my project was a low-cost experimental setup for antenna radiation pattern measurement of Bluetooth using HC-05 and a smartphone. So the content of my today presentation is, first we will discuss the aim of this project, followed by introduction, procedures, and then we will see the Python code. At last, we will conclude. So the aim was to experiment a versatile and a low-cost antenna radiation pattern measurement techniques which can be utilized by anyone, anywhere. Also to estimate that the RSSI of Bluetooth antenna, and to autonomize the tasks of polar plotting by using Python code. And also we have developed a GUI where you can directly select the CSV file and you can get the polar plotting. So this will also help us in minimizing the error. So antenna radiation pattern measurement is performed in an anechoic chamber, which is very costly, and many engineering college or individual can't afford such kind of system. But everyone want to know how this radiation pattern work, how this Bluetooth sensor work, because we have Bluetooth sensor in our mobile phone, smartwatch, even we use it in our many DIY project, but we don't know how does it radiate, but we want to do this. So I had a similar issue. So to overcome this issue, I performed this experiment, which anyone can perform. They just need one open space and some of the antenna or some kind of stuff which is required to do the same thing. Moreover, we have automatized the tasks of polar plotting using an Python, and we have created an GUI where we can upload the CSV file. So the item that is used in the setups are like we have used HC-05 Bluetooth module as a transmitter. Then we have used Arduino, which is connected to this module. We have also used Bluetooth RSI Analyzer app from NextGen Technology Limited. This is available in Play Store, Google Play Store. We have also used one smartphone which was acting as a receiver. Then we have used some chalk, thread, etc. So the procedure for doing this experiment involved, first of all, we have marked the center. After that, we made a 3 circle using the thread and a chalk. Okay, then after making the 3 circle, then we have divided it into the, then we have drawn a 2 straight line from north to south and from east to west. Now we have taken one of the quadrant and we have measured its circumference using one thread, and then we have divided this into the 8 equal part, from which we are able to get like 10 degrees angle. After that, we have started placing the mobile phone on the intersection point between the circle and the angle. There we place the mobile phone at every angle, and at every like on the 3 radius, 2 meter, 1 meter, and 0.5 meter. Also we have placed this HC-05 module at the height of lambda by 2. So these are the readings that we get on our mobile phone app, which I have recorded using the Microsoft Excel, where I have recorded the 4 values from at a single point. Okay, after that I took the average of these 4 values. After getting those average, then we have normalized it with the highest value that we have. After normalizing, we are getting such kind of value like -5, -7, which you can see on the screen. So we have used the same value to to do the polar plotting. Let me show you like the value that we got, like how it is in the polar plotting, like the CSV file that we will be uploading uh, in our code. So this is the CSV file that we will uploading in the code. So here this is the first this one is the like it is for the degree, and the second one is for the 2 meters, like 2 meters RSSI value, that whatever we have. Then this is for the 1 meter, and this is for the 0.5 meter. So, and this is the code that I have written in Python. So currently I'm running this using the Jupyter notebook. So initially I have imported some of the libraries, then I have used like Tkinter to make the GUI part. After that I have created some of the empty list where like axis store the angles, and ys1 ys2 ys3 stores the RSSI value. After that we have opened this CSV file, imported the CSV file, then we have append the distance into the list, and after that we have used the matplotlib to uh, to get the plotting. Now I will try to run this program. So once I click on the run, then you can see such kind of GUI will appear where it is asking me to import CSV file. When I click on import CSV file, and if I select this CSV file and click on open, and if I close this one, then you can see now my this graph, this plot has been generated. So in such way we are able to generate the plot. So at last, I would like to conclude that the goal of this project was to develop a low-cost experimental setup, which was successful, and and we have also seen that at some of the some of the angle, the value of the RSSI was very high, and at some point it was very low. So thank you very much. Yeah.